size. 2000 watts extremely quiet operation is comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services EPA III and CARB-Compliant 79.7 cc. 4-stroke OHV engine produces 2000 surge watts and 1600 rated watts, great for campgrounds, construction sites, tailgates and power outages. Produces clean power to safely operate and prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets, televisions and computers. Includes two 3-prong 120 volts receptacles, one 12 volts DC receptacle and one 5 volts USB port.